Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into what I'd honestly call a masterclass in strategic expansion. If you're an international drone, eVTOL, or advanced air mobility event organizer, you already know the drill. The real measure of your event's success, it isn't just foot traffic. It's high-value, cross-border commercialization. So in this explainer, we're unpacking a highly strategic partnership proposal from the Malaysia Drone Chamber of Commerce and Industry, or MDCoI for short. We're going to see exactly how they position themselves as your ultimate, indispensable gateway right into the booming ASEAN low-altitude economy.
Okay, let's dive into this outline. We've got 5 quick stops on our roadmap today. First up, Leadership and Vision 2030. Then, the event partnership proposal itself. After that, we'll hit Advanced Drone Solutions, walk through the 7-step entry framework, and finally, look at how we can build the future together.
Starting right off with Section 1, Leadership and Vision 2030, Driving the Future.
To really get the momentum of MDCoCI, you've kind of got to understand the visionary leadership behind it. Malaysia isn't just sitting back and participating in the global low-altitude economy. They're actively working to drive it. And that whole philosophy, it starts right at the top with Mr. Alangavan Thangavilo. He's the founder and special advisor of MDCoCI, and he's a uniquely qualified guy, operating as both a psychologist and a technologist. His motto is literally to rewire the brain and digital infrastructure, which I think perfectly captures his integrated approach. He's not just looking at the nuts and bolts of the hardware, he's looking at the human ecosystem supporting it. Under his guidance, they've charted this massive Vision 2030. What does that actually look like? Well, it means nurturing over 100 new drone entrepreneurs by the year 2030, building out urban drone airport networks, and seamlessly tying artificial intelligence together with ESG, environmental, social, and governance systems. It's just a brilliantly holistic view of tech progress.
Moving on to Section 2, Strategic Event Partnership Proposal, Cross-Border ROI.
So this is a direct invitation to you, the global exhibition and conference organizers. MDCoI is pitching a strategic collaboration tailor-made to bring unparalleled cross-border ROI to your upcoming events. When they partner with you, they aren't just bringing general attendees. No, they bring a meticulously curated, official Malaysian delegation. We're talking about a total powerhouse group: tech entrepreneurs, VCs, private equity firms, family offices, government policymakers, the whole 9 yards. Why does this matter for your event? Because dropping this specific high-caliber group onto your exhibition floor instantly unlocks direct access to ASEAN capital. It sparks immediate technology transfer and creates genuine joint venture opportunities on the spot.
The real game changer is the stark difference between a standard exhibition and the MDCoCI integrated approach. You know how a typical event goes? International founders stand at their booths, basically crossing their fingers, hoping the right investor happens to walk by. Well, MDCoCI completely flips that script by integrating an active investor matching program. They deliberately bring qualified Malaysian investors to your event with the specific goal of engaging directly with international drone and eVTOL founders. Meaning, exhibitors aren't just there to show off cool tech, they're actively accelerating commercialization and securing regional market expansion into Malaysia and the broader ASEAN market.
That brings us to Section 3, Advanced High-LC Drone Solutions, Global Scale Readiness.
Now, what's really interesting about this is that a strategic partnership is only as good as the tech backing it up, and the commercial readiness here is off the charts. Take traditional high-rise window cleaning. It's notoriously dangerous, right? And insanely expensive with massive logistical headaches. Enter the high-LC building drone, which completely disrupts that old model. And to be clear, this isn't some beta prototype. It's an active, fully insurable commercial service backed by an entire accelerator program. MDCoCI and its partners, like the Malaysia Drone Technology Cooperative, have built actual training pipelines, like the CAM-certified drone pilot upskilling, where operators learn, work, and earn. It's an end-to-end business model that's totally ready to be exported and scaled up globally.
And the technological integration goes so incredibly deep. Take the high-LC drone inspection setup. They're integrating AI and autonomous robotics in a massive way. They use digital twin technology, which is basically creating super accurate 3D virtual replicas of physical buildings for continuous automated condition monitoring. The AI accurately spots defects and assesses how bad they are on complex infrastructure. They've even coined this concept of a building fingerprint to pinpoint exactly where defects are within a digitized grid. Honestly, it's a huge leap forward for managing the life cycle of infrastructure.
But it doesn't stop at buildings. The capabilities push right into highly specialized engineering fields too. Malaysia's drone ecosystem is cranking out advanced solutions like aerial NDT, that's non-destructive testing, which elevates mobile robotics for high-stakes industrial safety and special inspections. They even have solutions for underwater ROVs. It just proves they're engineering incredibly robust solutions for the absolute most demanding extreme environments you can think of. They're literally scaling from high-altitude flights straight down to subsea operations.
And the horizon just keeps expanding. The ecosystem is actively integrating delivery drones managed by UTM, Unmanned Aircraft System Traffic Management, alongside major cargo logistics solutions and even firefighter drones. All these advanced integrations show a market that isn't just waiting around for the future of air mobility, they are actively building the infrastructure to manage it safely and efficiently right now. As an event organizer, this is exactly the kind of high-level infrastructure conversation your attendees are dying to have.
Let's transition into Section 4, the 7-step market entry framework, market commercialization.
So for international tech companies at your event, the million-dollar question is always, how do I actually get my tech into the ASEAN market? Well, MDCoCI answers that with a highly structured, super actionable framework. The first 4 steps provide seamless, end-to-end commercialization support. Step 1 is international business development, literally matchmaking manufacturers with buyers and setting up joint ventures. Step 2 is export and import coordination, taking all the headache out of cross-border logistics and customs. Step 3 is Malaysia regulatory coordination, ensuring product compliance and Cerium certification. And Step 4 is drone operational readiness, where they help out with everything from mission planning to standard operating procedures and pilot training.
Let's move along and see how this builds up to the heavy lifting. Step 5 covers airworthiness and operational approval support, navigating the maze of aviation regulations for you. Step 6 is absolutely crucial for the future, advanced air mobility, or AM, and BVLOS ecosystem support. MDCoCI helps companies coordinate the really complex beyond visual line of sight operations, infrastructure, and MRO planning, maintenance, repair, and overhaul. Finally, Step 7 wraps it up with end-to-end project implementation. By managing all these work streams, MDCoCI massively lowers the barrier to entry. They accelerate operational readiness and ensure international companies see a much faster return on their investment.
Section 5. Let's build a future. Partner with MDCoCI. So, we've covered the visionary leadership, the powerful delegation strategy, the cutting-edge homegrown tech, and that comprehensive 7-step market entry framework. MDCoCI clearly isn't just a chamber of commerce. They're a full-blown ecosystem partner. For global event organizers, forging a strategic partnership with MDCoCI means you're injecting a catalyst for real business growth directly into the veins of your event. You can reach out directly to Mr. Elangavan Tengavillo and the MDCoCI team to get things rolling. And I'll just leave you with this final thought. With the ASEAN low-altitude economy poised for absolutely massive, unprecedented growth over the next decade, are you ready to partner with the ecosystem that can actually take you there?